Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use universal control with Mac on iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, let's open settings on our iPad 13 2026 and go to the general section on the sidebar. Here in the general section on the sidebar, we'll be able to go to AirPlay and Continuity menu, and here you have to enable your handoff feature, which lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on your other devices, like for example your MacBook. Make sure that both your iPad and your MacBook are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your MacBook you will have to go to the Start menu in the top left corner of the screen, open System Settings, and in System Settings once again go to the General, go to App Airdrop and Handoff, and enable handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. And if you are using the same Apple account on both of these devices, you'll be able to pick up different applications after each of these devices. So for example, if we start doing something within the Notes application, for example, let's create some new note in here. Like this. Let's start entering some text in here. And then we'll put our MacBook aside and grab our iPad 13 2026. We'll be able to open the Notes application in here. It will also have our MacBook's icon next to it. And here we will see this exactly same document that we edited previously on our MacBook. And we can continue working in it on our iPad 13 2026. And this works both sides, so we can, for example, start doing something on our iPad and continue doing it on our MacBook, and of course the other way around. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.